guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel and this channel is about photography and some videography. And today I'm gonna show you a cool feature I found on one of the best video editing apps out there called Davinci Resolve, a good alternative on apps like Photoshop and Adobe Premiere Pro. I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro for many years, but my laptop crashed and I had to buy a new a new laptop. Yeah, I collect albums too, but I didn't want to pay anymore on a subscription, so I decided to go on this freeware app, which I found it after I bought the laptop, not the album. And I've been struggling with this theme for some months now. I want to do some effects on my videos, and this effect it's a good way to make your videos look more cinematic and artistic and stood out from the crowd. And I've been playing with my iPhone uh, till I found this awesome feature on DaVinci Resolve, and I'm talking about the slow motion effect. What the slow motion effect does is you play this video in a normal speed, and with this effect you can slow down your videos and make them look, like I said, more artistic and cinematic. So let's play this video here. Let's go from the start, and sorry about that. Yeah, and we have here this dancing. This event took place at a town in Greece called Thessaloniki. It was a carnival parade. It was previous week, and there were many people in costumes parading through the city, and dancers. I went there with my Sony A7 camera to take some shots and my 24mm lens. I reviewed the lens on my other videos here on YouTube, and I decided to film some shots with my Hero GoPro 10 because Hero GoPro 10 it's a tiny camera and I feel I can do a lot of things with this camera, and second because Hero GoPro 10 has a fantastic video stabilization. So I filmed this dancing with my Hero GoPro 10, and we have these cheerleaders dancing and the crowd there. And now we want to slow down the video and see how it's going to look like after we slow it down. So let's go here to change speed. That's it, guys. How you want to range your videos, how fast or slow you want the videos to look like. And we go here, change speed, and we do here with the right click on our mouse, left click on our mouse, sorry. We go down all the way to 24 frames per second. 24, it's the best out there if you want your videos to have the slow motion effect or cinematic effect. 25, yeah, 24, come on, don't do this to me. And like you see here, it automatically changes the frames per second to 14.386. So let's now check our video actually, and here is the final result. And voila, look how different the video looks like now, how beautiful looks like, cinematic looks like. We have the slow motion effect and we have a very good artistic video. And if we want to do more with this video, we go here on this little icon here, over here. Let's see, we go to this circle here, it's the sun, and here we can edit our video. I mean, we can colorize the video. Gain, lit, gamma, contrast, brighten our video, and go back, and this is the edited video, and now we're free to go. And then we can use this button here, stabilization, and now there is no problem with the shakiness of this video or jerkiness. So we're free to go, and one quick thing, quick export, and voila, I already did that. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please check my other videos here on YouTube. I hope you found this feature very useful, and go ahead and do it. And you don't need to struggle to find solutions online how to slow down your videos or rely on your iPhone or your Android. Please check my other videos, like I said, subscribe, and tell me what you thought. Okay, bye, and see you again.